In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete products on Ecwid in just a few simple steps. Whether you're managing an extensive inventory or just need to tidy up your product list, knowing how to efficiently remove unwanted items is a valuable skill. Let's get started. First, head over to Ecwid by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.ecwid.com. Once the site loads, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to the Ecwid dashboard, which serves as the command center for managing your online store. Next, direct your attention to the navigation menu on the left hand side of your screen. Look for the catalog section, it should be fairly prominent, click on it, and then select the products option. This will bring you to a page displaying your complete list of products, providing an overview of everything that is currently available in your online store. Now let's locate the product you wish to delete. If you have a substantial inventory, scanning through the entire list can be time consuming. To streamline this process, utilize the search bar located at the top of the product list. Simply enter the name or key details of the product you're looking for, and the system will quickly find it for you. Once you've successfully located the product, it's time to select it. To do this, find the small checkbox next to the product's name and click on it. This action marks the product for deletion, signaling that you intend to make changes to it. With the product selected, navigate your attention to the Mass Update drop-down menu. You'll find this option just below the search box. Clicking on it will reveal a list of actions you can perform on the selected products. From this list, choose the Delete Selected option. This step is crucial as it prepares the product for removal from your inventory. After selecting Delete Selected, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. It will ask, do you really wish to remove the selected products? This is your last chance to review your decision, ensuring that you won't delete anything inadvertently. If you're certain about your choice, click Yes to proceed. And there you have it, your chosen product is now deleted from your Ecwid store. This simple method helps keep your inventory clean and up to date, ensuring your customers only see what you actually want to offer. Remember, maintaining an organized product list is key to providing a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.